Okay, so that's the problem. I've got dripping tap. Those taps are made by Bristan, and I couldn't find any suitable inserts. When I say inserts, I went and bought these ones. I thought they took normal washers, but these quarter-turn taps, they don't have normal washers. They have something that looks like that. It's called a ceramic disc valve or something, or in Screwfix they call them, what do they call them? Glands. But I couldn't, the one I got from Screwfix fitted alright, but the splines, there was like 20 splines and mine had 22 or something, so that didn't work, so I had to order it on eBay. Basically I had to get a micrometer and measure everything I could measure, and order a suitable one off of eBay. So I ordered it from a company called TapMagician, and that's the one I've got. So I need to replace this one. So anyway, I'm going to try and do this in one take because my computer won't edit anymore. So first thing is turn off the valve underneath. Okay, so that's off. Pop the top off. That was a flat blade screwdriver to turn the valve off, and now I've got a Phillips head screwdriver to get that. So that takes this off. Right, I think I need a 17mm spanner on that. And now I need to hold the tap still. So, lucky for me, I've got a 4 foot long metal bar, which I stick on there. Hopefully I can hold it still because I'm worried about the ceramic basing. What's the best way to do this? There it goes. They also come in, it was about £11 odd for two, so that was for a cold tap and a hot tap. The cold tap I needed to replace in the kitchen, which are the same taps I hope, so I've already done that one. This one's the hot tap, and the bathroom one is leaking more than the kitchen, so I'm going to put the hot one in here. That's all smooth inside. Yeah. Anything else you need to know about this? Yeah. Take the screw off the top. Put the plug hole in. Put the plug in. In case you drop the screw in there. Okay, now I've noticed with these new ones they've got a different size nut on it, so these 17mm won't fit the new ones. think it was 14. 14, yeah. I don't think we need that to put it on, to be honest. Yeah, the reason why there's two different colours is because the cold tap obviously turns on anti-clockwise and the hot tap turns on clockwise. Okay, so that should be enough. Could do with cleaning all these parts really, but I'll take the old screw out because it might have a different thread on it. Put it on, line it up. Hang on, turn it on, off. Okay, so that's in the centre. Right, moment of truth. We can turn the water back on again. It's on, and it's not dripping. Okay, that looks like a job done. I've lost a tooth off of this cap, but if I just gently... Oh, I'm snapping more of them off. Never mind. Put it up the right way. Push it back on. Job done. No edits. Cool.